Hello and welcome. I just bought this Meter Plus. It's time to do an unboxing, first impressions and also first cook. I'm gonna do some chicken breast with this and let's see how this performs. I was very skeptical about buying this since I already have the other wired probes and everything, like I have the Weber one. But I found this for $80 at Ace Hardware. I think they run this deal on the Meter website as well. So let's get started. So let me get my knife and open it. Alright, now one little tab right there, and this just slides out just like that. Okay, and this just comes up. There we go. One little tab right there, one little tab right there. Alrighty. Looks pretty cool. Alright, all the packages aside, let's get to this bad boy right here. Oh, it looks like it's got a magnet. This table's metal. Very good. I like this, and you can set it like that as well. Alright, let me see what's here. Looks like they have a little magnet over here, so it just sticks right back in. Pretty cool. This wood looks like a very nice quality wood. Let me pull the tab for the battery out. Let's see. Alright, I guess it's charging now. Let's pick it up. Looks just like a little pen. Actually, let me grab a actual pencil and see how the sizes compares. Alrighty, I'm back. So I brought a real pen right there for comparison, a pencil, and I also have this regular probe I use. It's a brand new one, but that's what I have for my wired temperature thermometer. So as you can see, and alright, it looks right in between those. So this is gonna make a significant hole if you do like a filet mignon or a steak. You're gonna stick this in. You're gonna after you cut it, you're gonna see a nice like a little hole in there. But I guess that's not a problem. And also this is probably very useful for rotisserie since it's always spinning. And I really like this one. It's much skinnier. It goes right in. But yeah, so far that's how it looks. And meanwhile, I just connected it to my phone. We can check the app as well. Right here. There's the first setups and stuff. So this one, it's got the probe like inside, like right here. So you gotta stick it in this much at least. And then you have the ambient probe that reads the ambient temperature like right here in the back. So as you can see, it's already reading. Let's do a little test. Yep, it's very slow, but it's reading. Alright, that's all about it. And let's do a first cook and see how it performs. Alright, sorry for the wait. As you can see, I got the fire going, so now it's time to season all this, and by the time we finish this, the fire should be ready as well. I got some chicken breast over here, a full breast, and this is perfect for this right here. It's time for me to test this, so that should do it. I'm gonna put some oil, if I manage. There we go, and salt, fresh grounded salt, like that. Pepper, fresh ground pepper. I like pepper, it's very good. Now I'm gonna add some paprika, so I'm gonna get that a nice red color all over the chicken breast. There we go. I'm gonna remove this and just, there we go. Alrighty. And Then I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. I just washed my hands, so it should be good. I'm gonna mix all this just like that. As you can see, already got nice and red. It's gonna be perfect. So we're gonna sear this on both sides, and then we're gonna move it on the indirect. We're gonna add the temperature probe, and we're gonna follow it from there. Chicken breast is done at around 165. So yep. Alright, let me finish up with this, get the fire going, and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Alright, that's how the chicken looks after I put all the seasoning and everything. And fire is almost ready, so we should be good to go in around 5-10 minutes. Alright, looks like the fire is ready. I'm also using the slow and sear today. It's very convenient for cooks like this. Probably put a little bit too much charcoal, but better to have more. Alright, I got the grates cleaned and ready. Everything's up to temperature, so I'm ready for the breast. I guess I'm gonna do 4 minutes per each side. So let's see. Right there, right there. I'll close the lid for now. And, I'll be back in around 4 minutes. And, we're gonna turn it, flip it. Around 3 minutes and a half, close to 4 minutes. So let me take a look. Alrighty, right there. That's the other one. Got nice grill marks, a little bit of char. It's good. I'm gonna do around 4 minutes on this side, then we're gonna move it on the indirect side, and we're gonna install the meter probe in. Alright, let me close the lid. It smells really good. I'll be back in 4 minutes. Alright, 4 minutes on this other side as well. You don't have to do 4 minutes, you can do a little less, but depends on the temperature of the fire, so I don't want to burn it too much. Look at this, perfect. I'm gonna put it facing the fire. Look at this right here, look at the juices coming out, this is crazy. Alrighty, now we're gonna install the temperature, the meter plus. Alrighty, I got it connected, and put this back on, and let's see what the temperature says. It says it's 77 internal, so it gotta go till it's gonna reach 165. I'll be right back with some updates. It's been only 5 minutes, but this is how it looks. It says internal 97 degrees, ambient 345, and target 167. So we're just gonna go off of this, and we'll see. But so far looks very good. Alright, let me put this back on, and if you have a Weber kettle, it's important to keep the vents above the meat so all the heat travels, heats the meat, and comes right back up, right there. Alrighty. Alright, we got a little estimate now. It took like 5 minutes to update and everything. Internal is 110, ambient is close to 400. Target 167, and says remaining cooking time 13 minutes. It's 6:52, and we'll come back in 10 minutes. It's been around 20 minutes since we start putting the chicken on the grill, and looks very good so far. It says 9 minutes remaining, and the internal temperature so far is 138 degrees. But it looks very good. Ooh, boy, it scared me. Mushrooms are looking good. Everything looks good so far. So gonna put this back on and be back when everything's ready. Alright, it's been around 30 minutes for the cook total time. Looks like it reached 165 degrees. So it's time to take it off. Oh, look at this. Looks perfect. Right there. Right there. Alright, I'll give it this 5 minutes to rest, and then we're gonna slice it through and see how we did. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, time to check. Alright. It's still hot, so I'm gonna take this slowly out. Oof. Nice. I'm gonna clean this and put it right back so it's gonna charge up. They say the battery life is 24 hours or 48 hours, I can't remember, but it's pretty cool. Alrighty, get this aside, and let's slice it. I'm gonna start with this one right here. It's nice and juicy. Look at that. But yeah, came out really good. See, this is the hole I was thinking about, but I guess that's fine. And this is it. You definitely don't need this. You can do all this without this, but this is just nice and fancy. Definitely, if you don't have the money, don't spend it. It's just a gimmick. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.